Start with the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. Welcome, dear student, to Learning Gate 110. My dear, today we are going to learn very interesting topic, LCM. What does it mean of LCM? LCM is a short form and it means lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. So first of all, my dear, we are going to learn the concept. What is the concept of LCM? Concept. First of all, what is LCM? Because the concept, it is like backbone of anything. If you know the concept of any question or any topic, you will be able to find the answer of any type of question. So I would like to explain you the concept first of all. After the concept, I will teach you some techniques or some tricks which are very useful, and without solving or without wasting time, you can find the LCM immediately or quickly. Okay, my dear. So the first of all, what is the concept? I will write some numbers like 2, 3 and 4. These are the numbers, and I'm going to write the table of these three numbers. What is the table of 2, table of 3, and I last lesson I taught you the multiplication table. So I would like to write the tables of these three numbers. Okay, so let me write the table first of all. Yes, my dear, I wrote the tables of given numbers, number 2, 3 and 4. Okay, I started from the simplest one, easiest one. So these are the tables. This is the table of 2, table of 3 and table of 4. I mean, all these are the multiple of 2, right? 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, so on. So now we are going to find the common, because lowest common multiple. These are all the multiples of 2, 3 and 4. So let us see to find the common multiples. What are the common? So 12 and 12, it is common. Let's see one more, if there is any other common number. Yes, we have 24. 24 is also common. What is our question? We are going to find LCM, lowest common multiple. So these are the common multiple. Which one is the lowest? This is 12. So 12 is our LCM. Clear, my dear? Any number, if the come in the question or in the exam, or you can write the multiples of those numbers, and you will find the first common multiple, the first one, the smallest one. That will be the LCM of the given numbers. Clear, my dear? So now, after the concept, I'm going to tell you some techniques. Let's see. I'm going to write a number. So my dear, I'm going to write number that is, for example, the first technique or first strategy, that is 4, 8, 16 and 32. My dear, these numbers are given. So what is the LCM of these given numbers? So very easy. So let's see the biggest number. Which one is the big number? That is 32. So now check all smaller numbers. If all smaller numbers are divisible on the given, the big number, then it means the big number is LCM. So let's see. 16 is divisible by 32 because 16 times 2 equal 32. 8 is also divisible by 32 and 4 is also divisible by 32. So it means what is our LCM? Our LCM is 32. This was the first technique. Let's see again. We will see the big number of the given numbers, and after that we will see the smaller numbers. If the big number is divisible by the smaller numbers, it means the big number is LCM. So let's see the next technique. Let's see the next technique. What is the next technique? I mean, I'm going to write the number, that is 6, 8, 12 and 36. Clear, my dear? So these are the numbers. Which is the biggest number? That is 36. 36 is a biggest number. So first, the same technique, the first one we will check here. If all numbers are divisible by 36, so 36 is a LCM. Let's see, 12 is divisible by 36. Yes, 12 is divisible by, because 12 multiply 3 equal 36. So check 8. 8 is not divisible by 36. And 6 is also divisible by, so we will cut this number. 12 and 6 both are divisible by 36. So now 8 is remaining. 8 is not divisible by 36. So now we will make 36, we will make divisible of the divisible by 8. We will make 36 a number that is divisible by 8. So the method is, you can multiply 36 or any given number by 2, then check if it is divisible. Okay, that is your answer. And if it is not, then multiply by 3, multiply by 4, continue, and you will get the answer. So let me multiply 36 multiply by 2 equal what? 72. 72 is divisible by 8 or not? Yes, 72 is divisible by 8. So the LCM is 72. This is our second technique. Clear, my dear? Now, my dear, I am going to teach you the third technique. So I am going to write a number, that is 7, 9 and 18. Let's see the big number, that is 18. So the other given numbers are divisible by 18 or not? Yes, 9 times 2 equal 18. So 9 is divisible by 18. So 7 is not divisible. Okay, I told you in this technique, the given number, if the remaining number here it was 8, we will make 36 or the big number multiplying with other number like 2, 3, 4, and the answer should be divisible by the remaining number. So now here it is little bit different. Look, this number 7, my dear, 7 is a prime number. If you will multiply 18 by any number, you cannot get the multiple of 7. So it is very difficult. So better, the technique is, if there is a prime number remaining, multiply the prime number with the biggest number. So that will be your answer, 126. So LCM is 126. Clear, my dear? I am going to repeat this technique again with a big number. Like for example, we have 3, 9, 13, 27, 4 numbers. So now, my dear, look, 9 is divisible by 27. We will cut it. So 3 is also divisible by 27. So now remaining what? 13 and 27. 13, look, 13 is a prime number. If 13 is prime number, so we will do what? 13 multiplied by 27. Clear? And after multiplication you will get 351. Clear? Hope you understand. This is the technique, my dear. If the numbers are given and the big numbers even, so by using these techniques you can find the answer quickly without writing the tables. Look, now here we have 3, 9, 13 and 27. It is big numbers, and if you will start writing the tables, it will be too long process. So by seeing a number directly, you can find the answer immediately. Hope you have understand. So now we are going to learn HCF. Yes, my dear. So we are going to learn HCF. This is the short form of highest common factor. My dear, do you know what is factor? Factor are the numbers which are divisible of the given numbers. For example, there is a number 8. What are the factors of 8 which are divisible by 8? For example, 1, 2, 4, 8. These are all the factors of 8. So these are the factors of 8. Clear? The numbers which are divisible by the given numbers, those are the factors of the given number. Clear, my dear? So now, because we are going to learn now HCF. So HCF, first of all, we will like to understand or like to learn the concept, because as I told you, concept is the backbone of the topic or the question. If you know the concept, you are able to solve any kind of questions. So there is a given number and 36 and 48. Find the HCF of the given numbers. So first of all, my dear, we are going to write the factors of the numbers. We have 36. What are the factors of 36? 1 is a factor of 36. 1 is a factor of all numbers, and 2 is also 3, 4, and also 6, also 9, and also 12, 18, and up to 36. So these are all divisible by 36. And what are the factors of 48? 1, 2 is also a factor of 48, 3, 6, also 4, sorry, because 4 times 12 equal 48, right? So 8 and 12 and 16, 24 and 48, all are the factors. 2 times 24 equal 48. 3 times 16 equal 48. So all these are the factors of 48. So my dear, now we are going to find the common factor. After writing the factors, we will write the common factor. Yes, my dear, now we will try to find the common factors of 36 and 48. So common factor, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the common factors. Okay, so after getting the common factor, we will see the highest common factor. Highest common factor is 12. That will be our HCF. So HCF is 12. What is the HCF of 36 and 48? That is 12. 12 is a highest common factor of 36 and 48. Clear, my dear? After understanding the concept, we are going to learn the techniques or tricks. So what are the tricks? What are the strategies or techniques of finding HCF just by seeing the number? So let's see. The first technique is 4, 8 and 20. I wrote some numbers, so these are 3 numbers. So look, in LCM we were looking the biggest number. So in HCF we will see the smallest number. Smallest number is 4. So look, if 4 is divisible by all numbers, so 4 will be our LCM, HCF. If the smallest number is divisible of all given numbers, it means the smallest number is our HCF. Let's see. So 4 divided by 2, 4 multiply 2 equal 8, or 8 divide 4 equal 2, it is divisible. 20 divide 4 equal 5, so 4 multiply 5 equal 20. Anyway, so 4 is divisible, 20 is divisible by 4, 8 is divisible by 4. It means all numbers are divisible by the smallest number, that is 4. So our HCF is 4. This is the first technique. So look, another technique number 2. I'm going to write some numbers like 6, 18 and 22 and 26. These are the numbers. So what will we do? We will do the same thing. We will see the smallest number, that is 6. Check, 6 is divisible by all numbers. 18 divided 6 equal 3. So 18 is divisible. I will cut it. 22 is divisible by 6 or not? No. 26 is not divisible by 6. So 22 is not divisible by 6. Leave it. Check 26. 26 is divisible by 6 or not? No. 26 is also not divisible by 6. So what will we do now? We will write the factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the factors of 6. So we will start from the highest factor, from the biggest factor. So that is 6. So remaining numbers, this one already finished. So we will check the remaining numbers. 26 and 22 on the highest, on the 6 is not divisible. Check on 3, both are divisible by 3? No. So check on 2. So both numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 is our HCF. Understand, my dear? We will see the again same common factor. The smallest number. If the all given number are divisible by the smallest number, that's our HCF in the first technique. Second technique, if some numbers are not divisible by the smallest number, we will write the factors of smallest number. Then we will see from the factor of smallest number if any number is divisible by the given number. So the factor of the smallest number, that will be our HCF. So the factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 2 is a factor of 6. All numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 is our HCF. Clear, my dear? So try to learn with one more example. There are the numbers 18, 27, 45 and 72. So these are the numbers. So what is the technique? That we will see the smallest number. All numbers are divisible by 18 or not. Look, 27 is divisible by 18? No, 27 is not divisible by 18. 45 is divisible by 18? No, 45 is not divisible by 18. Look at 72 is divisible by 18. So it mean 27 and 45 are not divisible by 18. If these numbers are not divisible by the smallest number, we are going to write the factor of the smallest number. 1, 2 is divisible, 3, 6 and 9, because 9 times 2 18, 6 times 3 equal 18. So these are the factors of 18. So we will start from the highest factor, 9. Check all numbers are divisible by 9 or not. check first 72. Yes, 72 is divisible by 9. 45. Yes, 45 is also divisible by 9. 45 divided 9 equal 5. 27 divisible by 9. Yes, 27 divided 9 equal 3. So 18 also divisible by 9. So what is our HCF? Equal 9. Clear, my dear? Hope you understand the tricks, the concept of HCF and LCM. I'm sure you got all the things which I taught you about. There is nothing remaining regarding HCF and LCM. So now you can solve the question. Any type of numbers are given, you can find the HCF and LCM by seeing the numbers directly, or even with the concept you can solve the question. Hope, my dear, you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Take care. Goodbye.